Well, this looks familiar. G'day from Bang Saray. Let's try that again. G'day from Bang Saray. I'm back again, Mare, because last time when I made a sales video for a two-bedder, I couldn't get access to a rental. So I've now got access to a rental on the 8th floor for 16,000 baht a month, 1 bedroom, 42 square metre, long term only. Let's go and check it out, guys. Woo. All right. Mare again. This time the rental. So I'm on the 8th floor, but still on the right side. So trust me, you got to stay on this side if you live in Mare, or if you don't mind the heat and the sun. The other side's okay, but this is the best side with the best view. So this is 42 square meters, exactly the same layout as the one I had. There's a little table and chairs for the balcony. I just put this here so I can have a look at the view. Look at that. And this is 16,000 baht a month. Super comfy lounge. I had exactly the same one. Reasonable sized fridge. Got some wine glasses. And something you need. Washing machine. Really nice living here. Honestly, I loved it. And I only moved because I wanted to have my heart set on Whale Marina with the intention of getting a jet ski. But the money never came through that I was expecting, so that didn't happen. Anyway, it was still nice to sit and watch the boats go by. But as you know, I'm now living back in Bang Saray. It's my favourite place. Can open the windows, get some air. Not quite the 30th floor like I was in a couple of videos ago. Look at that. That's the weekend. They're cleaning the beach down there. You probably can't see them, but there's men in orange shirts, or men and women, sweeping the sand. And it's a bit rough and windy because of this time of year. But not always like that. Anyway, gym, pool, parking. If you live here, I strongly recommend that you have a scooter or an electric scooter or a car or both. But Sukhumvit Road, you can catch bar buses. Sukhumvit Road's just up there behind. What a place. Pattaya over there in the distance. We're starting to get a bit of PM 2.5 blowing down from the north. It's a bit hazy. Yeah. Garbage room. Recycling. It's on every floor. It's a tennis court on top of the parking building. Mirage condo just over there, which I've shown before. And I showed Costa Village, short stay. The one with the blue and white building. And off in the distance behind that is Sukhumvit Road. But there's 4 lifts. You never have to wait long. Boom. I have shown Mare. I've lost count how many times. So if you've seen some of this stuff, sorry. It's always good to see it again, fresh. You can turn lights on in here and aircon in the gym. Whoop. 4 treadmills. And then upstairs, there's more equipment. And steam rooms and change rooms, showers. Boom, 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 boom. And female, male. Bit dark in there. Anyhow, you can book that. Watch movies, football, games, pool table tennis. And they've probably locked these doors because it's boring a go. And they have. It's from the outside looking in at the gym. All beautifully maintained. Seriously, if you bought here, your maintenance fee is getting well used. It's always clean. It's always immaculate. The gardens are always trimmed and stunning. It's the games room there. Patching the wall. And as I've said a million times, just the best pool. You come down here late in the afternoon, like 5 o'clock, nice and deep. The edge around there, you can stand up. There's a little glass wall at the end of that thing, that little bit there that juts out. And just spectacular. Love it. Get chilly out up here too. And look at the view. Security guard won't let anyone in unless you know the room number and the name of who you're coming to see, which is good. Look what people ride around here. So you need a bike of some description or a car. That's an electric. That's a pretty cool looking trike, 3-wheeler. Wowza. Even a quad bike. Look. Another electric bike. A bicycle parking only. So a push bike or a bicycle is a good idea as well. Just to run up to 7-Eleven and down the road to the bar or whatever. You can park your jet skis out the back or a small boat or a kayak. That's all car park. And on top of this car park building is a tennis court. And here you go. But you kind of need to wait for the afternoon, later in the afternoon when the sun is behind the building. But it's here.